Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to use highlighter on your pictures on the Facelab application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on a picture that you want to edit and click on the retouch button down below, which is the third option. After that, slide to the right side of the screen till you find the highlighter function, so tap on it. Zoom in for more precise application and apply highlighter to areas that you want to emphasize and highlight, such as your nose, above your cheekbones, and your jaw as well. And you can also apply it above your lips, and you can adjust the highlighter by the help of the scale in the middle of the screen, so feel free to adjust it. Here you can see how it looks like, how it changes. So stop at the relevant point where you think it suits your skin tone. And if you click on this button next to the scale, you can see the difference between the original copy and the highlighter applied to your picture. So click on the check mark icon down below if you want to save your picture. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.